Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Friday, November 15th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. Today's going to be an awesome day. We got the Tyson fight tonight live on Netflix. And man, that just brings back great memories of my father. When I was a young kid, he used to love boxing and we used to watch. I remember watching Mike Tyson fight. And I even met Larry Holmes one time down in Palm Beach, Florida. But anyway, I digress. If you haven't joined one of the direct mail opportunities that I am part of, you're missing out, all right? Because these opportunities are just top-notch. And you can go to joinruss.com and see the top 3 businesses that I am promoting going into 2025, all right? You can see right here, I got a stack of postcards. These are ready. They're going to go out in the mail later today. And it's just a really simple opportunity that anybody can do. You don't need any marketing skills. You don't need to have a huge email list of 100,000 people. You don't need anything other than the postcards and some stamps. All right. And when you join these opportunities, you're going to get leads that you can use to put on these postcards. And if you can put a stamp and a lead on a postcard and take them down to your mailbox, you can make this work. Okay. Now, this isn't a get rich overnight program. All right, it does take some time. I've been sharing one of the opportunities now since April, and I do very well with that. I have checks coming in all the time. The newer program that I started promoting, I just started promoting, maybe a month ago, and I'm just starting to get sales on that. So it does take a little bit of time and consistency, but if you stay consistent with mailing out the postcards and sharing the opportunity with other people, then you will start having a steady flow of residual income, okay? And I can't guarantee you're gonna make any money with this because most people join these opportunities and then they never do anything with it and they quit. But I can guarantee you that if you put in some work, treat it like a real business, stay consistent with your marketing efforts, it's almost impossible to fail, okay? Because it's just almost impossible to fail. Okay, in fact, the people that stay consistent are the ones that win. And I haven't seen anybody who have stayed consistent not win with this. All right, it's just these are awesome opportunities. I've added a third opportunity just recently that allows you to save money on things you already buy. It's a great company. I actually joined the company back in 2022. And the person that, my good friend and my marketing friend passed away unexpectedly. And him and I were going to do some things with this opportunity. And once he passed away, I kind of, things weren't the same. So I lost interest in that and I moved on to other things. But what the company owners are doing right now is they're doing a matrix compression and they're giving everyone a chance to rejoin using their same enrollment date, their original enrollment date. So, it's just an awesome opportunity, but for some reason, my phone is saying that I'm running out of storage, so I better end this video. If you want more information on any of these opportunities, go to joinruss.com, all right? It's gonna take you to a page that has my top 3 companies that I'm promoting, and then I have a place there where you can open up a high yield savings account, which is paying over 4% right now. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. I want you to win, and that's it. I hope you enjoy the boxing match tonight if you're into that, and otherwise I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.